Geometry Review Part 5, Problem 29. We skipped 28 altogether. Segment AB bisects segment CD with B as the midpoint. Segment AB bisects segment CD. Okay, first we have, what do? First we draw a picture. Okay, we have CD. We have B as the midpoint. Segment AB bisects that. If CD is 220, then CB and BD are each half of 220. They're each 110. If H is the midpoint of PQ, what do? First we draw a picture. If H is the midpoint of PQ, P, Q, H, midpoint. PH is 8x plus 8. HQ is 12x minus 8. What do we know? If H is the midpoint, then PH is equal to HQ. So what do we have? We have 8x plus 8 equal to 12x minus 8. We want all the x's on one side. So we subtract 8x from each side. Eight is equal to 4x minus 8. I want x all by itself. I want everything else on the other side. What can I do? Oh wait, I can add 8 to each side. 8 plus 8 gives me 16. That's the same as 4x. 4 equals x. X equals 4. (31) Angle A is twice the measure of its supplement angle B. Find the measure of angle B. Well, these could be a linear pair, couldn't they? Angle A is twice the measure of its supplement, angle B. If we have supplementary angles, we could have a linear pair, we could have a straight line. So we're going to call this angle A, and this is angle B. What do we know? Angle A is 2 times the size of angle B. Angle A plus angle B equal 180 degrees. How do we know? Because they're supplementary. Okay, now what? Well, if A is equal to twice angle B, then 2 times angle B plus angle B equals 180 degrees. 2 angle B plus another angle B gives me 3 angle B. That's still 180 degrees. Well, if 3 angles B are 180 degrees, what's 1 angle B? Well, 1 angle B is obviously 60 degrees because I can divide both sides by 3. Was that the question? Am I done? It was the question. We're done. 32, find the value of x and y. Okay. I need more space than this, so more paper, more paper. Paper is a renewable resource. I just use a lot of it. Okay, what do we have? Well, here's the deal. If you have two variables but only one equation, you have to figure out one variable at a time. You'll know that more fully in Algebra 2. What do we know? We have intersecting lines. We know that 4y and 6x plus 14 add to 180 degrees, but we've got a y and we've got an x. That's no help. What else do we know? Oh, look! We have vertical angles. What do we know about vertical angles? Vertical angles are congruent. Goody! We have a place to start. Now we have an equation. 6x plus 14 is equal to 104 degrees. Subtract 14 from each side. That gives me 6x is equal to 90 degrees. Now I divide both sides by 6. That gives me x is equal to 15 degrees. Am I done? I don't think so, because I have to find the value of x and y. Well, the only way I can find the value of y is to find the measure of this angle. Six x plus 14 is 104 degrees, so 4 times y plus 104 degrees equals 180 degrees, right? 6x plus 14 is equal to 104. 4 times y plus 104, this is also 180 degrees. So here I subtract 104 degrees from each side. That gives me 4y equals 76 degrees. So if 4y is 76 degrees, y is equal to 19 degrees. So now, am I done? Find x, find y. We did it. We can put these numbers back into our equations and see that we are correct. We are done with this problem. And finally, we have, if ray PT is the bisector of angle APR, name two congruent angles. Ladies and gentlemen, if we can take the words and make a picture out of them, we are golden. First we want angle APR. We could draw it like that. APR. We could draw it as an obtuse angle. APR. Regardless, if PT is the bisector, bisector means what? Bi is to, sect is to cut. Ray PT is the bisector. So two congruent angles. Two congruent angles are angle APT and angle TPR. The trick in this problem is drawing the picture.